Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Nissan Murano key battery, updated. Start by separating the key fob halves at the seam and gently pry them apart with a small flathead tool. Remove the old battery carefully and note its orientation and type before disposal. Insert the new CR 2025 battery with correct polarity and snap the halves back together. Test the remote buttons to confirm the replacement works properly and secure the key. Prepare your workspace and tools before starting the swap so the process goes smoothly and safely. Keep a small flathead screwdriver, a clean cloth, and the replacement CR 2025 battery within reach, and work on a steady surface to avoid losing tiny components. Handle batteries away from skin oils and avoid shorting the contacts. If any clips feel stuck, release them slowly rather than forcing the plastic, protecting both the fob and the battery. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more car DIY content. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes cleaning hands-free, and it scoops up pet hair so your workbench stays tidy. It's a handy addition if you hate dust in tiny crevices. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Pry the key fob open at the seam using a gentle twisting motion with your tool and separate the halves. Note how the old battery sits, especially which side faces up, then lift it out using a non-metallic tool if possible. Place the new CR 2025 battery into the cavity matching the original orientation, then align the halves and press them together until they click. Finally, test the buttons and the remote start to confirm proper function.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.